Hello friend, this is Shanti. Today we learn about pointer to function, that is call by reference. Call by reference. Reference means address. Reference means address. Means we call a function with the help of address of variable, not the value of variable. So we discuss this point with the help of one program, that is write a program to perform addition of two number using call by reference. In case of user defined function, there are three parts. One is function declaration, second one is function call, and third function definition. Let's start with solution. First we perform the function declaration. To perform addition of two number, we declared one user defined function, that is add. This is call by reference example. That's why integer pointer, because we perform addition of two integer number but with the help of pointer. That's why we write here a pointer operator, that is value operator, to perform addition of two number or two values using pointer. This is function declaration, user defined function declaration. Here we declare two variables to perform addition. Then take the input for both variables. Enter value of A and B. Scanf %d, format specifier, both variable and integer, that's why format specifier is %d. Now we perform function call operation. Call the function, that is add function, but call by reference, not the value of variable. If we pass the A and B directly, this is called call by value, because we pass the value of A and B directly to the function. But here we want to perform call by reference. Reference means address, that's why we pass the address to these variables. This is function call. Now last part of your function, user defined function, is function definition. Void add function. Here we want to perform addition of values using pointer, and if you want to perform addition of values using pointer, then we use value operator with pointer variable. Here we want to perform addition of values of A and B, but with the help of pointer variable. That's why here we use value operator. Now to perform or store the result, here we declare one variable. Now we perform addition. This is arithmetic operation. Pointer P1 plus pointer P2. Then we display the result. Sum is equal to %d sum. Here program is completed. Here we call the function with the help of reference of A and B, but here we perform the values. We want to perform the addition of variables, addition of values of variable. That's why we use here a value operator. Means at this reference we got the value of A. With the help of this reference, here the value of B. That's it. Thank you. If you like this video, then share it with your friends and comment me on our WhatsApp group. Thank you.